Tonight I'm making a power-packed dinner of antioxidants that are great for the liver. So I'm making a Thai green curry with spring vegetables. And the ingredients are the spinach from my garden, the last of the carrots from the garden, ginger, garlic, onion, and asparagus, and then a little lime to go on top. But I'm also cooked tofu, and I roasted this. I rolled it in olive oil and I roasted it. So they're a little crunchy, kind of crunchy on the outside and not on the inside. And I know that some folks are a little concerned about tofu, and I only eat it a couple times a month, but I buy the organic non-GMO tofu. I find that it adds to this dish. This doesn't even call for that, but I need some more protein, so I'm adding that in. And it's super easy. You just crush the tofu, get all the moisture out of there, cut it up like the little pieces like I did, and then roll it in some olive oil and throw it in the oven at 375. This took about 20 minutes or so. The browner, a little longer if you want it browner. Now, this has a sauce of coconut milk. This is the real stuff, right? The full fat coconut milk. And I love this Thai green curry. It is mild. It is not strong. Just a dash of soy sauce in there. And it's going to be kind of almost like a curry, like thicker, right? And then I am putting it on top of a bed of brown rice, organic brown rice. So it makes a lot. I'll be eating on it for days, right? But it makes a lot, and it's very nourishing. It's just so nourishing because of the vegetables and the good coconut oil. All of that is so good for your liver. So I will put the recipe in here once this posts, and you guys have a great day. Bye.
And if you want more tips like this, make sure and follow me on Divine Farmer Health.